Good morning, good morning. This is Luke with the American and Japanese family. We're at Riverside Park in downtown Wichita. So I'm going to show you a few of the things here that I think are the best to enjoy while you're at this park. And the first thing I'm just coming to today is this lovely place to sit down on the benches. The architecture is pretty cool. It's lit very well. I think it's a very nice place to relax and enjoy the park while you're here. And in the middle of the park, you'll almost find this Chinese tea house. Obviously, it's just for show. Maybe at one time it may have been an actual tea house, or there may have been a little store in it, but as of right now, there's nothing in it. One of the coolest things at the Riverside Park is that they have a Kansas wildlife section, and they actually have owls, hawks, gopher. They even have a bobcat, and it's just really interesting to bring your family. As you can see, there's a hawk perched in that tree limb, and not sure exactly which kind of hawk that is, but very beautiful, elegant, sitting there on that branch. I guess this is my lucky day. I have Rufus, the bobcat. He's relaxing this morning. Nice weather. It was in the low 50s in Wichita, Kansas last night, so it is a nice surprise to see him. Usually he's up bouncing around, playing up on his tree limbs and the fake rocks that they've piled up in his cage here. So it's good to see Rufus. And that's another shot of Rufus. There he goes. He decided to get up. And I kind of pan, you can kind of see what his cage area is like. So good to see Rufus this morning. And that is his name. We met the people who actually take care of him here. Such a beautiful little pond area. It's also close to the Kansas wildlife section in the Riverside Park here. And it's just a nice place to come and sit and relax and think. Gonna get another shot and pan through it. Weather's just beautiful this morning. I would say it's still maybe low to mid 70s. So if you're up and about this morning, you're definitely not missing out. This is wonderful. Out of all the parks in Wichita, I would say that Riverside Park is ranked with the top playground for kids. I mean, it is just lots of fun. My son is actually out there playing right now, Yuri. So yeah, bring your kids down here, enjoy. This rocket ship actually used to be a place that you could climb up. You can see some of the ladders inside it, but they have bolted it. Maybe there was an accident, maybe a child got hurt in there, but thinking of me in the 1980s growing up, that would have been an awesome place to play. I would love it. And here in the middle, this is almost the middle of the park, in Riverside Park. This is a gazebo. It is so beautiful. It overlooks the pond, and just a very nice place to relax. I can imagine if it was raining, I'd like to sit there and just watch it rain. These stones are the most interesting thing at Riverside Park. It talks about a place to study, reflect, and I guess it has to do with astrology and that kind of stuff, but really neat formation of rocks here. What I'm trying to do is just get a good pan through 3 of the largest rocks here, and just give you a better sense of the artwork that is actually on them. And like this one has a lot of the astrology, the star signs on the rock. The middle rock has more of a map interface on it as you look at it. But it also has Gemini and the different astrology signs as well. I'm just reading a little bit of it. And this is the tallest rock formation of the three. I cannot tell any signs. There may be signs. I don't know much about astrology, so your guess or your information is better than mine, but I'm just showing you on the camera what I'm viewing here. So as you can see, Riverside Park is a very beautiful place to come and relax. It is really relaxing here in the middle of downtown Wichita area. I definitely recommend this place. I've came here numerous times to play Frisbee, play in the park, and see the animals. All right, so I want to thank you for watching today. This was just some of the things that I've noticed here at the Riverside Park in downtown Kansas. It's a beautiful place to come out here. Man, today the wind is blowing. It's cool. I love it. I love it. Fall is approaching. I'm seeing some leaves falling on the ground. I'm just enjoying every aspect of it. And that's what we should do. We should try to, yeah, there's a lot of bad things going on in the world right now, but we should try to find something to hold to that brings us joy and happiness. Look for the good in parts. Look for the good in life and not always the bad, because we know both exist. It's actually what you look for in life. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching the great. I always say the great. I always say the great. I don't know why, but I do. But I'll try this again. Thank you for watching the American and Japanese family. You have a wonderful day, and we'll catch you next time.